Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cass. I post videos all about creating a better you inside and outside through content creation, lifestyle, branding, beauty, fashion, and more. Welcome back if you're OG, you guys. Today's video is all about natural hairstyles. Now, I almost didn't do this video. I almost was like, you know what, this isn't a beauty channel. I'm not going to do this video. But I feel like natural hair has so much more to do than just beauty. It has to do a lot with health and just your personal image and self-love and this and that and acceptance. And that's what all this channel is all about. So I thought it'd be fun to do a natural hair tutorial where I'm going to show you guys 4 different ways to style buns. Right now my hair is in a wash. Shake it out. So basically, you guys, I washed my hair this morning and then I just shampooed and conditioned it. I haven't put any product in it yet. So typically after I wash it, I put in some Cantu, the Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream, as well as Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. When I first bought this, I thought I was buying Miss Jessie's curly pudding, but I wasn't. So that's what I used to kind of get my curls defined. So I'm gonna go ahead, apply that to my hair, and then we'll get started on these buns. So when I'm doing my hair, I typically use the rake and scrunch method. I use about like this much conditioner too. While I'm doing this, fun fact, my original channel, which is now my production company channel, Cass Productions, started out as a natural hair channel. Back when I was in high school, I was a sophomore in high school, and I want to say like 2012, I had started that channel as a natural hair channel because there weren't any natural hair people on YouTube who I felt like showed styles for like high schoolers and younger people. So that was kind of the aim of that channel to begin with. So this is very, very nostalgic, doing a hair tutorial. So we have the leave-in conditioner in, and now I'm just gonna apply the Curl La La just to get that curl definition.
Stop that, yeah. I hear 'em chatting the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear 'em chat with the boys, man so tough, but man's cute.
So the products are in my hair now. So let's get on with the bunny bun. Some products that I use to slick down my hair for a bun, you guys, is this Cantu curl styling, not curls, just styling gel. This is the maximum hold. I've actually usually use Eco Styler gel. The place that I went didn't have Eco Styler gel. They only had this gel, so that's kind of why I got it. But it's been doing its thing. And then I'm also going to use the Design Essentials Natural Honey and Shea Edge Tamer to lay my edges. I used to use their other edge gel, so I wanted to give this one a try. I saw it at the store recently, so we're gonna see how it goes. So other than the products, you guys are going to need a brush, hard bristle brush, a rubber band, either 2 regular rubber bands, or you can use a rubber band and a longer rubber band, like a headband rubber band. I don't know what that's called. And then this thingy, the edge control brush or a toothbrush, whatever you're gonna use to slick your baby hairs down. So I'm gonna start with this style I like to do called the messy bun. I love doing this after a wash and go. It's kind of complements like the curls at the ends of your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of my Cantu gel and just kind of put it around my edge hair. So I do recommend, if you guys are not doing this on a recent wash and go, then to make sure your hair is damp. So you can use a spray bottle, spray the edges of your hair, and you can spray the brush as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rubber band on my wrist because we're gonna need it soon, and then I'm going to take this brush and just brush my edges. So for my hair, I truly only have to put the gel in to kind of get it slicked on the edges. If you feel like you need a little bit more slickness, then you can go ahead and put the edge control all over as well. I do that sometimes if I really, really want it slick. But we're going to go ahead and put it in a high ponytail.
On the pan, if you wanna touch man, please use caution. Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast.
Bam. Alright, so now we should have a nice little puff going on here. Okay, so for the messy bun, you guys, I like to take my long rubber band and I just kind of wrap it around a few times while grabbing different clumps of my hair, and it's just kind of random, and I try to decide which strings of hair are going to hang out. Cool, so that's just my messy bun look, you guys. Let's lay them edges. I'm taking my edge brush, slick and swoop, slick and swoop.
Missionary got let out the streets, locked in a cage. I'ma let out the wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget my peace. You take the west, I take on the east. I'ma put him in the cage, never let out the. I hear him chat in the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys.
For the next bun, we're just going to take out this long ting to ting ting. So the next style, you guys, is going to be a ninja bun. Ninja. To do my ninja buns, you guys, I kind of do the same concept. So I wrap this around, but I focus on making it as tall as possible. So as you wrap this, you stack the hair on top to create the ninja effect. You don't have to, you can do it a little messy if you want, or you can just have, yeah, like that. It's kind of like the Beyonce fist. Black power. And then you can have it as high as you want, you guys. You can add Kanekalon hair to this. I feel like I should have done my makeup for this tutorial. I don't really wear makeup, you guys, so next up, I'm gonna use my regular rubber band for the next one. And this is just what I like to call a full bun. So this is when I want my bun to be neat, but I want it to look really thick and full. So we take this puff that we started with, and I'm just going to hold this like this. What does that look like? Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of twist this in so it's together, and I'm gonna wrap it around like so, and then put my rubber band just mainly at the bottom. There we go. So this is kind of, it's not as tall as the ninja bun, but you get like a full nice neat bun. So the last style of buns I want to show you guys is space buns. So I don't wear these as much as I used to now that I'm in the professional adulting world, but go ahead and take your hair fully out of both rubber bands. So now I'm actually going to pull out this rat tail comb here, and we're going to part my hair down the middle, sorry, didn't mean to say middle with two T's. So now that my hair is parted, I'm going to use one of the rubber bands that we had, and once again a slick bun, but with only half my hair. So if you want higher buns, make sure you have a pretty high pony.
Tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pop.
There we go. Now the other side.
If you wanna touch me, please use caution. Beg, please get on.
Alright, cool. So I'm gonna go grab 2 more rubber bands so we can get out the pom-pom look. You guys can do either what I mentioned before, so like take the hair like this, twist it a little bit at the end, and then start to wrap it around if you want a more secure bun, and just wrap this toward the bottom.
Came from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks.
Once you have them in the buns, you can kind of fix them from there if they're not looking the same. Space buns, hello. So I'm gonna take these rubber bands out, and I'm gonna show y'all a messy version of the space buns as well. I'm gonna kind of do the same thing I did before with the rubber band. With the longer rubber band, I'm just gonna kind of hover it over, and we're just gonna place it, stack some hair on top.
In the sleeve, one wrong move, I'ma let out the big shoes, check out the crease.
There we go. So these are more of like the messy space buns. Whoop whoop. And you can always, if you want to, take your large rubber band and bring these in closer.
Like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run till he step out the cleats.
So that is the conclusion of my 4 bun styles that you guys can use with a bonus space bun style. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, you guys, if you like natural hair tutorials. I will come to y'all with as many as I can think of, and yeah, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications to be notified whenever I post. Keep living your best life, and let's get it. Peace out. I'm out, buddy. Jesus, I don't know why I did that. You lie.